Who do you call when your fuel filter is dirty? I prefer to DIY, do it yourself, or in fact do it myself. So if you've got a filter like this Raycor filter here on screen, or if you've got a different brand like this Separ filter, we can teach you how to change the filters yourself. This is the Separ brand, and this is actually a factory cutaway showing the square insert, the filter insert that goes in the top. And if that's dirty, we'll show you how to change it. It's a 5 or 10 minute job, easy to do. The other brand that we teach is the Raycor brand, and this is a very large model, Model 1000. And you can see the dirty filter element right here. And then we've got the smaller models like the Model 900 that uses this element, and an even smaller model like the Model 500 that uses this smaller element here. So you can see the three different sizes. Thing to point out is this red color. American marine diesel fuel is dyed red to prove that there's no highway tax paid. But if you pull your filter out and it's black like this, then you know it's filthy and it's dirty. Of course, that's spray painted for classroom teaching purposes, but this is a true dirty filter here. So this is full of dirt from dirty diesel fuel. If you want to learn how to DIY, change your own diesel fuel filters, come join us in Florida, Vero Beach, Florida, this February 2025 for our Introduction to Boat Systems class, and also our Cruising Fundamentals, Cruising 101. Ask Captain Chris or check the link below. Hope to see you in February.